As the COVID-19 continues to cause alarm around the country, a section of Ugandans have developed various concoctions of herbal medicine that they claim can fight or treat the virus. Now, with many Ugandans desperate to cling on whatever they think can save their lives, some have used this opportunity to put some drugs in the market for the virus. However, the National Drug Authority and Natural Chemotherapeutics Research Institute deny any knowledge of approval of any locally produced COVID-19 drug.
There was a lot of information from social media regarding that drug, and we got information that people were desperately looking for that drug.
I also just encountered it on a social platform. Strikingly, I know the person who is making it because he's a former staff of our institution here. But what hit me, of course, was communicating it to the public, probably before going through the legalities.
Institute Executive Director Dr. Grace Nambatia says about 30 herbalists have already applied for clinical tests on their medicines, and results are expected in the first quarter of this financial year.
At least 30 herbalists submitted their samples with the intention of getting them verified. But of course, as you know, when you talk about COVID, the virus, very virulent, not every lab should handle maybe the organism itself. It means working in relation to a place gazetted for that, and that is Uganda Virus Research Institute.
We are there to ensure quality, safety, and efficacy. For you can think that you are taking something good when you are destroying. Some of these drugs, if not properly used, they are poisonous.
For his part, the secretary to the National Drug Authority, Dr. David Nahamia, says a legitimate drug must pass clinical test before it is approved.
We go to the production site, the factory, we see what is suitable, then we can give a license, suitability of premises. We look at the formulation, we look at the dossier. Dossier is the summary, summarizing the formulation of the product, talks about the safety, efficacy, and all the studies around the product.
The two institutions are warning the public against self-medication.
But be aware that people are desperate and people are trying to take advantage of this. And of course, also people are trying to do a lot of self-medication, which we think is not good.
With the vaccination of the COVID-19 having stopped in several places, over 170,000 doses of AstraZeneca are expected to be shipped into the country tomorrow. Ali Mevole, NTV.